This coated peanut can be addicting. It turns out so crunchy and delicious. Very easy to make in the comfort of your home. So keep watching to see how easy it is to make. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Thank you. The first step is to pick your peanuts really well to avoid sands or bad ones. Transfer the peanut in a bowl and add salt, hot water and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, strain the water and transfer in a tray and allow it to dry completely. Once that is done, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl, sugar, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, and salt. Stir well to combine and set aside. The next step is to crack in 2 eggs in a bowl, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well to combine and set aside. Once the peanut is completely dry, next step is to coat the peanut by introducing the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly until well coated and do same with the flour mixture. Repeat the process until the peanut is well coated. You can also mix in batches to achieve the best results. Once that is done, transfer in a sieve and sieve out excess flour. The next step is to fry the peanuts. In a preheated oil, transfer the coated peanuts and allow it to fry until golden brown. And make sure not to overcrowd it so that it will fry evenly. Once that is done, scoop it out of the oil and transfer in a tray lined with paper towel. Allow it to cool down. Transfer in airtight container and we are done. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.